In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Ads account name in both the old and new views. Whether you're rebranding or just fine-tuning your account settings, these instructions will guide you through making these changes smoothly, all within about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First up, you need to head over to the Google Ads website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to reach the Google Ads homepage. Once there, look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to enter your credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're selecting the correct Google account associated with the ads you want to manage. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Google Ads homepage. Now, this might look a little different if you're using the old version compared to the new one, but don't worry, the steps are quite similar. What you need to do next is locate the admin tab. This is where you can manage all the back-end settings of your account, so keep an eye out for an icon or a tab that signifies administrative functions. Once you've clicked on the admin tab, search for account settings. This section houses various important configurations for your account, including billing information and user access. Click on account settings and you will be redirected to a new page. Now here's the crucial part where you'll be changing your account name. Under the account settings menu, find the option labeled account name. As you click on it, a field should appear which will allow you to edit your current account name. Make your desired changes here. Take a moment to ensure everything is spelled correctly and reflects the branding or identity you're aiming for. Remember, your account name is often the first impression potential clients get of your business, so choose something professional and recognizable. After inputting the new name, remember to save your changes. Look for a save button, usually at the bottom or top of the page. Confirm your action. And voila, you've successfully updated your Google Ads account name. This change can help keep your advertising consistent with new branding strategies or business alignments, so it's great that you're taking the time to make this update. That's all there is to it. You've quickly and effectively adjusted your Google Ads account name. If you have any further questions or run into issues, remember that Google Ads Help Center is a valuable resource for troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your digital advertising workflows.